Hello partner, my name is Mark and I'm a leading web developer for mCloud company. Welcome to the small video tutorial where I will show you how to put mCloud code, which is also known as KNC code, to your page. So let's start right in. If you're a partner, you should have your access to your partner site in our system, where right after you do the login, you can see a little something like this. Or in case if you're a partner of mCloud Georgia, you might have seen our new version already, which comes to Latvia pretty soon. In that case, it will look this way. Anyhow, what comes next is really simple. All you have to do is, step 1, go to the KNC section and press the code section below. Here you can see the code. If it's the new version, then you go to the website section and press the Get mCloud script button. And you see the code is totally same. So, right up next, step 2. You just fully copy the script, like this. Step 3, you have to paste it to your page. The code should be placed right before the body tag is closing, in the most end of it. Just like this. Now just save the page. And here you go, that's it, as simple as that. If you're more advanced in the web developer stuff, then I'll show you now how you can check if everything works right. I will show you an example of my local page and what really has to happen next. So this is the page where I just put the code. If you're familiar with web developing, you already use browser web developer tools, so this is nothing new for you. I prefer the Fireback in Firefox, same as most of us do. You can go to the network section and see what happens here. If you have put the code correctly, I will refresh the page now. You will see this stuff happening. You will see that your page is sending requests to our server, KNCLV or mcloud.g. It can be different despite the system or region where you are. So the system after will check if there are some banners to show for you right now. If there is no requests from your side, then probably you have to check for mistakes. Thank you for your attention. If you still have some questions left, feel free to contact our support department for your needs. Goodbye.